Greetings all. Today, I aim to demonstrate how to create coloring book with Leonardo AI. First, you should open your chosen web browser. After opening it, simply navigate to Leonardo AI. Use your credentials, just as you do when entering Leonardo AI. If you are not logged in, you can watch my previous video. The link is in the description. Just click on the link, and you will be able to access it easily. As you already know, today we will explore how to generate images for a storybook. So, let's click on this button. After clicking, a new format shall open before you, just as it does when it's initially unveiled. In the first place, you shall encounter a prompt. You must click on it. Afterward, you are free to write whatever you desire, whatever suits your fancy. As for me, I wrote, very detailed illustration of a cute chibi paladin, grin, full body, zoomed, detailed colorful dungeon environment, slimes, whimsical, tetratic colors, cartoon, Ni no Kuni, League of Legends, and Schiffer, rocks and stones, fairy tale, fantasy, cartoonish vector, anime, manga, vibrant, sunbeams. Once you've written this, you just need to click Generate. After clicking, the process of generating your images shall commence. If your internet connection is robust, this may take only 2 to 4 seconds. You will then behold your 4 images, crafted to your liking. These images have been created in the very manner you wished for. This is the method for generating any image you desire, related to any topic you wish. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.